Shalom and welcome to this platform. My name is Eunice Tongela Matlekwana. If you are here, it is not by accident. This is a safe space, beloved. This is a healing space. This is a faith-building space. On this platform, you will find words for the weary, prayers for the broken, poems for silent fighters, stories that rebuild faith, hope for those who almost gave up. If your heart has been whispering prayers at night, if you are rebuilding your strength, one day at a time, you belong here. Your story still matters. Your healing still matters. And God is not finished with you yet. Welcome home. Follow for more. Share with someone who needs encouragement today. Yes.